Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you are someone like me who likes to carry around everything at all times, then you need to know about this backpack right here by Montana West. It has been an absolute game changer for my day-to-day life, and let me show you all of the reasons why I absolutely love this thing and highly recommend it. So starting off, the quality of the material and the way it looks is something to write home about because this is such an absolutely beautiful backpack. It's got so many nice small details like the gold embezzlements and the different textures of fabric, as well as having a lock feature for the main compartment, which is awesome while you're traveling or if you're in an area where you just feel a little bit safer having it locked. So I really love that. Also, as you can see, it works with a variety of different outfits, so I really love how versatile it is as well. I even wore this to a wedding, and it was great. I was everybody's bag lady because I could carry everything. As you can see here, this is only a fraction of the amount of space taken up by putting all of this in my backpack. I could easily fit so much more if I needed to. This thing is incredible. So there you have it. This thing is absolutely incredible. I cannot say enough good things about it. I just am so in love with this backpack, and I really highly recommend that you get it as well if you're looking for a backpack for your everyday bag or just for travels, safe travels, all that kind of good stuff. So that is my point of view.